What's the hardest choice you ever had to make for your family?
Hardest choice?
What was your lowest point and how did you pull yourself out of it?
Lowest point?
Ang dami, no? Do you believe in revenge?
Revenge?
Oo.
I chose to do that. I also decided to forgo a relationship.
The beautiful house, a beautiful home you have right now. Sobra. Tapos, hindi pa loan.
Do it when you're ready, not when
Oh.
you're,
You want.
uh
Alright, so change location kami. Dahil for the rain. Talaga ngayon pa, no? Pero it's a blessing, sabi niya. So, we will proceed with our next question. Of course, na naputol. Dahil for the rain. Next question. Ito magandang question to eh. What's the hardest choice you ever had to make for your family?
Hardest choice? Siguro when I decided to be a seafarer.
Aww.
It was because not just being away from them, hindi lang yung distance, but because when I chose to do that, I chose also to leave my comfort zone.
Oh, paano? Paano mo nasabi? Na
Because
bakit comfort
it's a
zone?
new environment to me. And remember the first time, the first few months when I was working there, I nearly quit because I feel like, being away from your family is very hard. Diba? You've been through that. Even if like, of course, it's a different story kung dito lang sa Pilipinas,
Pwede
like
kang-
nasa Manila ka lang, tapos
Kahit nga
pwede kang
nasa
umuwi
Manila,
dito,
minsan
diba?
mahirap ang
Mahirap
umuwi.
na nga yun. Pero how much more pa if you're out of the country? You cannot go immediately. You cannot go home
Yeah.
immediately if something happens.
Tapos nasa gitna ka pa ng dagat.
Oo.
So,
And
true.
also, it was because I chose to do that. I also decided to forgo a relationship.
Because of that.
Because of that.
Totoo ba?
My ex doesn't want me to work
Mapalayo.
abroad or to go back to my life at sea after 2 years. So initially, when I asked him na if I could go, he asked me for how long. And at that time, I said maybe 2 years, let's see. And then 2 years came so fast. And then hinanong ulit ako. So,
Stop ka na.
stop. Are you gonna
Hindi.
stop? Said I couldn't. And that's the reason why we broke up as well. Because I chose my family over him. Over my own
Oh,
self as well.
parang sakit nun.
Well, at that time, it was a very hard decision.
It is.
But I have to do it. So,
Grabe, no?
sacrifice that you make for your family, diba?
Grabe, it's selfless. Sa totoo lang, mabilis lang naman kasi sabihin, honestly, na malalaki na sila, kaya na nila yan. They have their own decisions. They can live na, kasi may mga edad na rin yung mga kapatid mo eh. Pero grabe, no?
Yeah, it was one of the
Grabe.
hardest decision that I have to make. But I'm happy I did.
Why?
Because of, if siguro kung nagstay lang ako sa Pilipinas,
Mhm.
parang it would be harder to achieve some of the goals that I have set
True.
for myself.
And then for the
And for
family
my
na
family.
din. The beautiful house, a beautiful home you have right now. Sobra. Tapos, hindi pa loan. Tapos, yun talaga yung mga goal.
That's one of the things na natutunan ko sa nanay ko.
Ah.
Na to live within your means.
Aha.
Na huwag ipilit pag hindi kaya.
Hindi kaya.
Pag mangungutang ka, make sure you have to pay it.
May generating returns
Oo.
pag nangutang ka.
And as much as you can,
Mhm.
huwag kang mangutang. So, yun yung isa sa mga natutunan ko sa nanay ko.
Pag-ipunan talaga.
Oo. And
No?
do it when you're ready, not when
Oo.
you're,
You want.
Oo. Kasi
Tama.
darating din yan. You have to work more, work harder, siguro.
Pero grabe sis, no? Hindi ko, yeah.
Ako nangungutang ako ha, don't get me. I mean, there are times na I need to have a backup, like
Richest
money.
people do utang.
I would, but I make sure na in a month or in 2 months, mababayaran ko.
Alam mo, sa totoo lang, tayong mga breadwinner, lalo na pag wala tayong stable na source of business na may income generating,
Oo.
pinakapos din naman tayo.
Hindi ka...
Kahit na meron tayong enough.
Oo.
Pero there are times talaga na kakapusin ka.
Oo.
And honestly, it's inevitable talaga na hindi ka mag-short or whatsoever. Kasi there are circumstances na talagang test yung financial
Oo.
management mo diba? So yeah, but again, I salute you for that one brave move na pinili mo talaga yung family mo.
Oo.
Kasi sa totoo
Over
lang,
my own happiness siguro.
sa totoo lang naniniwala ko, kung love ka ng isang tao, ila-learn nila yung i-love kung anong love mo. Am I right?
It's a decision, diba?
Yeah. But anyway, maybe, not
Maybe this time.
diba? Next question. As a breadwinner, what's the proudest I made it moment you've had so far? Aww, gusto ko marinig.
Siguro, it's hard to pinpoint one. Siguro it's a collection of moments na when I was very grateful for the blessings that God is giving me ever since I stepped up as a breadwinner. So after university, after college, when I had my first job, I think
I made it moment.
my recollection na I made it was to pay off our debt.
Oh, that's true.
Like, hindi naman ganun kalaki yung mga utang, pero parang I made it a point na wala nang iisipin si mama sa mga utang niya sa ibang tao
True.
to support me during college. That was siguro the first na I made sure when my sister had to take her board exam. I
na ikaw
helped
din yung
finance.
nag-finance. So, mahal kaya
siguro
mag-board.
Siguro ang pinaka is yung napatapos ko yung sister ko yung pangatlo namin si Jewel for college education and siguro that's one of my
I made it
na nakatapos ko yung sister ko with my hard work.
Totoo.
Although, 'di ba, hindi ganun ka sobrang mahal pero magastos pa din.
True.
Kasi she has to go, like, for example, tourism siya. So, she has to
Ay, ang gastos.
Singapore, Malaysia, mga
Totoo.
ganyan. Diba, magastos yun. So, one of the proudest ko yun.
Na makita, no?
Oo.
Sa totoo lang, pag nag-graduate sila, parang ikaw yung mother.
Parang ikaw.
Diba?
Parang, it's all worth it. Diba? Kasi hindi mo naman pinupulot yung pera.
True.
But siguro, ay yung
Recent.
pinaka na siguro na parang feeling ko somehow I've achieved my goals is when I started my investment portfolio. So, yung...
Properties.
Oo, yung nagsa-start ka na bumibili ako
na ng
ganito,
lupa.
bibili Kasi to me, it means that I am not just living from paycheck to paycheck.
That's true.
Like, yung meron ka ng pera para itabi for investment,
Alam mo,
savings,
sa totoo
and
lang.
ganon. So, parang yun siguro. Kasi, di ba, before, you have to support everybody as a breadwinner. And although you have your money na sana kung ikaw lang, matagal ka nang nakapag-invest for your future and all. But because iniisip mo yung family mo, lahat ng pera
May
mo,
sobra
most of the
ka
time
na.
pupunta doon,
This time,
hindi ka makapag-invest. Pero nung nag-start ka na kaya ko na palang mag-invest. And so parang doon na yung parang
you made it.
I've made it. Hindi na lang ako nagsasurvive, but I thrive.
Correct.
Parang diba?
Gusto
Parang
ko
ikaw
yun.
din.
Oo, nakakatuwa. Kaya nga minsan, alam mo yung, lalo na, pag nagda-drive tayo, may mga moments na magpa-park na ako sa bahay and all, napapastop ako, sinasabi ko sa sarili ko, grabe, I can't believe na nakapag-drive na ako neto.
It's an
May
achievement.
bahay na. Alam mo yun, meron na tayong portfolio na iniipon, ng mga
For some
kalupaan.
people, maybe, naman, di ba, syempre, if they're very rich or what, parang sa kanila,
Parang sa
it's a
kanila
small
normal.
thing, di ba?
Sa
Pero
atin,
para
big
sa atin,
talaga
from
yun,
where we came
sis.
from, di ba? It's a huge thing na
As
for
in,
us.
sobra. Totoong-totoo ka dyan. Kasi galing tayo sa mga hindi natin lupa.
True.
Deprived tayo sa mga ganyang bagay. And it's hard na niisip ko nga, ay, pag ang mga parents pala natin na wala talaga silang pamana.
Wala talaga, oo.
Correct. So parang, hindi kami mag-aaway ng mga
Pero,
kapatid ko.
correct, it's a blessing as well, na, di ba? Walang
Yeah.
awayang magaganap kasi wala naman tayong pag-awayang
Pag-away.
lupa. Oo.
Sabi ko na nga lang sa sarili ko, kami na lang magsistart
Oo.
in this generation.
That's true.
I love it. Diba?
Oo.
We made it, sis.
We made it. Somehow
Diba?
we made it.
I like that. I like that. Now, next question. Looking back, what was your lowest point and how did you pull yourself out of it?
Lowest point.
Ang dami, no?
Ang dami siguro. Pero it not naman na yung parang sobrang hirap na hindi mo na kayang anuhan. Pero siguro one na I can recall talaga na it's a significant moment was during the pandemic.
Oh.
I think, because of the uncertainties.
Oo. Parang feeling natin tumigil yung mundo, no?
Tumigil yung mundo,
Parang
insecurities
nawala ng
mo.
lahat.
Oo, wala. Parang wala kang fallback.
Sis, that's 5 years. Diba?
5 years ago, di ba?
Oo.
Parang wala kang fallback. Not only financially, but more than anything, kasi I'm not used to staying at home.
Mm-mm.
Di ba? Na parang wala kang ginagawa. That was how long I stayed for a year and a half sa bahay na walang ano.
Ay, hindi talaga naging operational yon yung mga barko during
Oo,
for
wala.
for 1 year more.
1 year. Oo, 1 year. There are minimum manning sa mga ships para mag-clean lang,
So,
mag-ganon.
ibig sabihin wala talagang cruise noon and all?
Wala.
Ay, oo nga naman. Kasi
Until-
talagang tumigil yung
So,
mundo nun.
2020 yun, di ba? Nag-resume yung first na cruise back
Oo.
a year after. 2021 around May or June, if I'm not mistaken. So, imagine. So, over. Ako, nakabalik pa ako after, kasi nag-expire yung US visa
Oo,
ko.
and all.
I had to apply. And because of nagsara yung embassy, ang daming backlogs.
Oo.
So, ang tagal ng processing, August 2021 na dumating yung visa ko. So, October na ako nakasampa.
During that moment, na feeling mo, shucks, this is the end of my career. Karoon ka ba ng backup plan, second option, alam mo yun?
Wala, more than anything, ang iniisip ko noon, kasi alam ko naman, hindi lang naman ako ang
Affected.
nandun sa situation
Yeah.
na yon, di ba? There are people who are worse. Kasi,
Yes.
di ba, parang ako siguro na ano na lang din ako na somehow magastos ako.
Oo.
Pero I make sure na I have something na parang backup. So, nung nag-start yung pandemic, March of 2020, kinount ko na yung savings ko. Kinount ko yung savings ko. Sabi ko, so kakayanin ko pa until mga ganito.
Oo.
With the expenses sa bahay,
And
plus yung binabayaran kong sasakyan noon,
Noon.
na
oo.
30,000 per
Lang.
month.
I remember, you almost gave it up.
Oo. So,
Oo.
kasi after parang okay pa ako at mga almost 1 year na, 'di ba, living with
waiting.
my savings
Oo,
na
oo.
gano'n. Pero nung after na
Nag-extend
noon,
pa
parang
kasi eh.
nag-extend pa. So parang makaka-survive ka. I mean,
Pero hindi.
naman ako pero ang hirap kasi you're not used to it. Parang kami, I'm used to the life na parang kung anong meron, pagkasyahin. Kasi yun
Oo.
naman yung pinanggalingan. So, it wasn't a hard transition from
Yes.
kung ano na yung naano mo yun na parang,
Parang,
diba?
we've been there. We've
And
been there.
also, during that time, kasi si Papa, nasa public
Kulit.
service.
Oo.
So, counselor sa barangay, diba?
Yes.
So, parang at the beginning, nang wala pang yung government and all, I had to help as well
Correct.
sa mga constituents
Community,
natin
oo.
doon na affected na medyo mas nangailangan ng tulong and all.
Totoo.
Pero you cannot do, 'di ba? Parang limited ka din eh.
Oo.
Limited din yung resources mo.
Oh.
And yung mental health mo nag-suffer. Alam mo yung ginawa ko, 'di ba? You were there. You supported me. I opened
A business. Yeah.
I opened the
I like that. Nakalimutan ko yung name.
LGBT.
LGBTQ Lugaw.
Oo.
Ayaw, oo. I remember.
Para lang may magawa ako with my time na hindi ako
Mabore.
mabore.
And may
Oo.
cash flow.
Pero cash flow is not that much
Oo.
kasi magkano lang naman and all.
Oo.
It's more of like, I need to do something.
Yeah, that's my next question. Have you thought, wala to sa question naisip ko lang. Have you thought, what if
Mm.
it will happen again? Are you ready this time?
I think I am more than ready than I used to be.
I like that.
Mas-
Kasi parang
mas
na-learn
ready
mo
na
na, no?
ako,
Ang dami
na-learn
nang
ko
na-learn.
Oo,
Na,
na-learn ka.
pag mga ganitong
Oo.
season, ang na-learn ko rin that time is save talaga.
Oo.
Grabe nun eh.
Ang hirap.
Ang
kasi,
hirap.
di ba, especially kung wala kang fallback.
Correct. Correct.
Mahihirapan ka talaga. So, somehow it saved us.
Buti
Na
ako that time,
somehow meron.
baking. Wala nagbe-bake nun eh.
Baking,
Sarado mga malls noon. Doon ko na-explore din talaga at nag-boom yung business ko. Pero nakakapagod sis.
Oo, yun
I'm
yung
not ready for
isa,
that.
yun yung isa sa
Diba?
mga na-realize ko na parang once you open a business, oo, masarap siya pakinggan na
Kasi
you're on
hawak mo yung time mo. Ganon. Pero hindi. Totoo yan.
Hindi sis.
The-
And the money is not the same.
The manpower, the pagod, everything, the marketing mo, strategy and all.
So,
Ang hirap nun. One man, hindi pwede. Masasabi ko lang sis, siguro it's not our time yet.
Oo.
Kasi we have learned from that, startup.
Saka grateful ako for the experiences, like, especially during that
Hard
time,
times.
na parang you knew who would show up for you.
Uy, that's true.
Diba?
Parang makikilala mo agad.
Oo.
Ma-identify mo na kung sino sila.
Oo.
You can count in your,
makilala mo kung sino sa mga friends mo will
true.
be there to
That's true.
support you. You're not expecting na bibili sila sa'yo
Correct.
pero just the fact na pupunta sila sa'yo, bibili ng something and all, that's more than
That's
enough
true.
to be appreciated.
So, totoo lang, I remember tuloy how we became close. Kasi nung nag-debake ako, nag-order ng dream cake.
Dream cake.
Ang ate mo na syakera. Kasi, di ba, province, dito lang sa atin. Ang mahal pa naman ng cake ko. 10 agad. 10 agad ang order the next day.
That was during pandemic. Pa-pandemic.
Before, 2018 yun. 2019, 2018. Kasi, I was in Sun Life pa nun. That was the time na nag-meet tayo, sis.
True.
And then, dinalhan kita ng cake, nagustuhan mo, and nag-order talaga siya dyan. Parang, grabe to, isang bagsakan. So, doon kami naging mas close. Nakikita ko na to siya.
Mas closer.
Oo, closer. Tapos, nag-invite na sa mga birthday.
Inuman.
Inuman, ganun-ganun. Party-party na. Nag-ano kami siguro. Marami na kaming relatable moments during that time. Kasi, nakikita lang namin sa update sa Facebook, posting, that's all. Pero nothing really close like right now. Ganon. I like that. Next question. Did you ever feel like giving up on your dreams because of responsibilities at home?
No, siguro. Because you know why?
Why?
My dreams are bigger than my responsibilities.
Ay, gusto ko yan.
mas matimbang yung dreams ko kaysa sa responsibilities ko.
True,
It
masasabi
gets exhausting
Oh,
sometimes.
Hindi masasabi ko din talaga na your dreams is really bigger than responsibility. Bakit? Tapos mo na yung mga kapatid mo eh. Wala ka ng obligasyon sa totoo lang. Wala ka ng responsibility actually because you provide them everything. Pero yeah, totoo.
So, even when I had difficulties in the past, na parang, di ba, parang feeling mo lang parang you're living off na paycheck to paycheck.
Oo.
With your responsibilities and all, parang naisip mo, paano ko mararating yung mga dreams ko?
Correct.
Kasi,
Parang feeling mo lang katapusan, no?
oo, parang
Pero
hindi ko na
meron.
mararating. Pero parang sabi ko, walang mawawala. Sabi ko, just continue.
Keep
push,
going.
keep going. Kasi parang, I believe, darating din yung opportunity for
Correct,
you
correct.
to, para maging way, para ma-achieve mo yung goals mo.
Lahat talaga may katapusan. Ay, thank you po.
May pailaw
May
si
pailaw si Kuya. Thank you. Anyway, next question that we have is, what's one sacrifice you made that you'd gladly do all over again?
Siguro the decision of pursuing college
Huh?
and being a working student
Okay,
at the
okay.
same time. Because you
Let
know
me
why? When I am graduating from high school, si mama,
Mhm.
nagsabi na siya na parang,
Hindi niya na kaya?
oo, parang it's impossible na
Na
makapag-aral ka ng college.
Oh.
So, parang sabi niya, baka pwede mo siguro mag-work ka muna, mag-save ka para sa college
College
mo,
mo.
ganyan-ganyan. No? Kasi parang kami wala eh. Hindi na kaya, ganyan. Which I understand kasi dalawa kami ni magkasunod. Tapos, 8 years pa yung gap nung isa. So, 3 pa yung mga maliliit.
Maliliit.
And they don't have jobs na permanent.
Oo.
'Di ba? Walang
Oh.
business, walang ano. So, si mama lahat ginagawa kahit anong job, kahit anong
Oo.
trabaho na magkakaroon siya ng sweldo,
Income.
income. pinapasok niya.
Mm.
Pero, syempre, hindi kakayanin kung mag-aaral ako
Ng college.
Kasi wala nga.
So,
Pero, sabi ko, no. Sabi ko, mag-aaral ako ng college. Maghahanap ako ng way. Sabi ko, mag-working student. Kung if I need to work at the same time, continue my education, sabi ko, gagawin ko. Pero hindi ako titigil. Kasi yung mindset ko dati, once na tumigil ako at magtrabaho, baka hindi na ako makabalik.
Totoo.
I want to pursue my education. I want to finish. I want to have a degree.
Did you have scholarship before nung
Wala.
sa college?
Wala.
Hindi ka aware nun?
I'm not eligible.
Paano?
Kasi, tawag dito,
May mga certain averages like
may
that?
criteria. Hindi, kasi, nung nalaman ko na yon na eligible ako, nasa work study program organization na ako. So, I was
Okay.
working.
So, hindi siya pwedeng may
Oo.
scholarship ka at the same time meron ka ring working. Kasi magiging parang dalawang ano ka na.
I'm not sure, pero hindi ko siya
Hindi, tsaka,
na-applyan.
alam mo, during our time, parang hindi tayo aware
Oo,
na merong
parang-
scholarship pala.
Basta sa akin at that time na nakakapag-aral ako, although sobrang hirap,
Mm-mm.
pero nagawa ng paraan na makapagtapos ako. And that was parang siguro yun yung start ng pag-abot ng
Grabe.
mga dreams.
Ginapang din talaga sis, no?
Oo, sobra kasi I'm grateful na andyan yung si Uncle Gilbert na parang somehow
Nag-help
nagsusupport.
talaga siya.
Oo, nagsusupport. Kahit papano, I mean,
Mm-mm.
he has his own family, pero kahit papano,
Hindi siya nakakalimot.
nahinga namin ng tulong pag kailangan talaga.
Mm-mm.
So I was working sa school,
Mm-mm.
I was studying,
Mm-mm.
and sa bahay, syempre nag-work din. Yun, tapos yung kapatid, buti na lang at hindi kami talaga, kahit si Joy,
Oo.
hindi din siya tumigil.
Oo.
She has to do something din like pag-tutor sa mga cousins or ganyan para may pagbabayad ng
Grabe.
tuition yung...
Pagdaanan natin sis.
Oo, sis. Tapos
Nagaganyan
dati,
din
as
ako.
in, 20 pesos lang hinihingi kong
Pamasahe lang
talaga.
no?
Wala
Tapos,
na, basta makapasok lang ako ng food.
Nakakagulat nga. Paano tayo hindi nagugutom nun?
Ako, naka-help din na I was working at the
office.
IGP.
Oo.
Kasi,
may mga provided
oo,
kayo.
may mga food, may nakaka-libre ka ng snacks.
Oo.
Sometimes, sa mga kasama mo, may mga baon sila. So, sinishare nila sa'yo.
Ako hindi rin kasi ako na-expose sa working. Kasi hindi rin ako eligible. Dahil ang papa ko, working siya sa government.
Hindi ka
Elbow
pwede.
agad.
Elbow.
So, we had to face,
Find means.
oo. Hindi ko rin aware ng mga scholarship dati.
Oo.
Tsaka hindi uso dati yung mga scholarship ng mga politiko.
Oo, wala. Oo.
Walang ganun. So
Meron
talagang
man, pero
gapang
hindi
kung
naman
gapang.
ganon.
That's true.
Supplemental lang.
Next question. Ay, maganda to. If you could talk to your younger self back in our school days, what would you tell him?
Siguro just continue what you're doing and believe in your dreams. Believe that you will change the status quo. Even though your dreams are blurry at the moment, it will eventually happen. You will achieve your dreams and goals and more in life. You just have to be assertive, of yourself. Believe in your capabilities no matter what other people say.
Siguro parang kikita mo yung sarili mo ngayon, no? Ikaw na bata ka. Ikaw na bata ka na halos ganito, ganon. Go. Hindi mo alam ganito ka na ngayon. Ay, parang ang ganda nun. Parang gusto kong magkaroon ng mga ganung movie dyan. Parang ang ganda nun, di ba? Anyway, next question. How has success changed the way you see home?
Siguro I became more appreciative and grateful of my roots. Because it's the main thing that propelled me to where I am right
It's the
now.
main reason why you pursue.
It's the main reason.
Nung
So,
una, alam mo, hindi natin maintindihan.
Oo.
Ako, I admit, there were times talaga nung una na bakit kaya ako pinanganak na mahirap.
mahirap. Oo.
Bakit dito ako, Lord?
Bakit
Alam mo yung
unfair?
question,
Oo,
di ba?
diba?
Seryoso, yung mga time na moments na feeling ko ang hirap na hirap ka,
Oo.
makakatanong ka talaga na, Lord, bakit tayo
Bakit?
mahirap? Bakit ganito? Ba't ganun? Tapos may mga times pa na parang sinisisi mo parents mo.
Oo.
Kasi hindi kayo nag-strive. Seryoso yan, sis. Nagaganyan ako.
Parang,
Pero honestly, right now, nasa edad kong to, talagang thankful ako.
oo.
Like you. Na Totoo.
Ah.
Sabi nga natin, tayo ang magkakat ng curse. Yung generation natin, yung mag-iiba yung landas. Gan. Kung wala tayong mamanahin, tayo ang magpapamana. Diba?
Pamanay mo na yung gold, sis.
Nasasalaan ko yung Pero diba sis, yung magandang mindset. Kasi parang, umabot ka rin ba sa time na parang na-depress ka, na parang feeling mo, na-achieve mo na lahat, parang wala ka ng goal, parang feeling mo wala lang next for you. Did you ever had that kind of scenario?
Siguro, hindi ako dumating sa parang wala na wala na akong maisip. Siguro, mas naging challenge sa akin na kung saan ako magfo-focus. Kasi ang dami mong gustong gawin at the same time.
Okay.
Pero parang, pero ano ba talaga yung for me? Kaya sometimes, it's better to reset, recharge,
Pause. Recalibrate.
Oo. Kasi parang doon ka din makakaisip na parang, okay. All these years, parang I hustled, alam mo yun, nag-work ka para ma-achieve mo yung kung ano man yung gusto mong i-achieve in life. Alam mo yun, most of your goals and dreams na na-achieve mo na, parang may kulang pa.
Oo.
Pero,
you
hindi mo
think
alam
for
kung
more.
kung
So you keep
saan.
on thinking,
Oo.
ano kaya?
True.
Okay. So you did not stop. Parang talagang, kasi dumating din ako sa point na gano'n na feeling ko na-achieve ko. Ang yun pala yung mahirap, sis. Pag hindi ka nag-dream ng big. Kasi madarating yung time na ma-achieve mo na yung mga pinag-dream mo. Parang feeling mo wala na. Pero you have to dream big. Kasi pag tumigil ka na pala, wala. Yung feeling mo, you can end your life na, parang tapos na, ganun.
Hindi naman. Parang ako kasi, parang iniisip ko, yes, I've achieved most of my goals that I set for myself in the past. Na-achieve ko na siya. Pero, it doesn't stop me from dreaming more. Or, because to me, life is a journey, not a destination.
Correct.
So when you arrive at a certain destination, you don't stop there.
Correct.
You will have a new destination to pursue. So parang ang mahirap lang is what will give you the fulfillment and the satisfaction now.
Yeah, exactly.
Kasi, di ba,
so
that's why
mo,
I feel nga success is not everything about money, property, fame, whatever. It's about meaningful connections. It's about having the mindset na parang, yes, I have this. I'm living happily. I'm somehow comfortable. Pero siguro, yung next naman is, am I making meaningful connections with people? Am I making an impact to other people? Siguro, darating ka sa point na yun. Kasi ako right now, parang I'm there. That's why, siguro, right now, hindi na ako nagmamadaling sumakay, bumalik sa barko.
Oo, kasi parang,
hindi na ako,
iba na yung success and the richness na definition sa'yo. Yeah, I agree with you. Alam mo kung bakit?
Diba?
Parang katulad ng ginagawa ko ngayon. Bakit ako nag-vlog? Kasi I want to be something na hindi lang nakilala nila ako dahil ganito, ganon. I want relevance.
And
impact talaga. Ano ka ba? Ano ba ang nagawa mo?
Correct.
Ano ka ba sa society? Hindi naman sa pero I don't know. I think time will really come, na you crave for being purposeful.
Yeah. You know what? I applaud you kasi hindi ka takot magsimula.
Ganun ba?
Ako kasi hindi ko kaya. Like ganito. Pag-isip ko nga, gusto kong mag-vlog. Pero anong sasabihin ko sa vlog? Anong, di ba, mga intro. Paano ako mag-intro? Kasi parang, hindi ako sanay sa ganun. Sanay ako sa corporate setting. Sanay ako. I don't have problems speaking, Pero when it comes sa social media, for example, mas gusto ko nag-share ng memes and mga ganun na lang. Diba? Most of the time, yung mga sinishare ko sa'yo,
puro na lang reels.
Kasi, di ba?
I don't know. I think alam mo naman, talagang ako.
Kaya, tsaka, which is really good.
Small pa lang din naman ako, na it's my dream. Gusto ko maging broadcaster, newscaster.
Diba? Nothing is too impossible, actually.
Kaya sa akin, sabi ko, hindi ko man yan ma-achieve. At least kahit pa paano, na-enjoy ko. At saka, ang goal ko talaga dito is inspiration.
Correct.
Kasi, alam mo, nung mga panahong depressed ako, yung mga vlogs lang ni Tony and other.
Papanood mo.
Oo. So sabi ko, paano kaya kung
It
local
helped you
ko gawin?
through.
Oo. Kasi nakatulong sa akin eh. Hindi imposibleng mga katulad ko lang na hindi naman artista or whatsoever, magkaka-inspire sa ibang tao like this. That's why I made a move talaga, sis. Pero, kakabalik ko lang ulit kasi trabaho. It's a
Ayun
good
nga.
problem.
Actually, tatanong ni Brandon, bakit daw
talaga?
nag-stop?
Hindi
Kasi
ko
pinapanood niya lahat ng
episode.
Oo,
Oo.
episode. Sabi ko, baka busy din siya, ganyan-ganyan.
Hindi, that was a good problem kasi naging busy talaga sa work.
That's good.
Oo, pero
Pero ako talaga, nag-iisipan ko talaga, ano ba ha? Pero since, syempre, sabi ko,
goal ko
I
talaga.
want to
Kasi sabi ko,
help naman
diba?
a friend.
Hindi ako nagsisi, hindi tayo nagsisi.
I want to help naman a friend.
Hindi, tsaka inspiring
Inspire
talaga yung
people,
stories.
Well, I hope na makakapag-inspire. Kahit
Alam ko.
we don't have to inspire thousands.
Oo.
Even a single soul
It will reach,
would matter.
talaga, a distance, itong mga pinagagawa
Hopefully.
natin.
Oo.
At marami pa tayong ma-share sa kanila. So,
Ay, meron.
okay. Actually, we have like 3 last questions.
Okay, 3 na lang. Okay.
Oo. This one is like more of reflection question. Do you believe in revenge?
Revenge?
Oo.
No, I don't.
Same.
Kasi you know why?
Why?
I don't believe in revenge because I believe that not all of us, every single person is not perfect.
Yeah.
We sometimes do silly things ourselves. And also, I believe that anything that happens to you, whether good or bad, is because of your own volition. Paano ko ba ma-explain?
Para kasing ganito, lahat ng nangyayari sa atin, ito na yung pinaniniwalaan ko actually ngayon. Lahat ng nangyayari, bad news or good news, it's an alignment. Sa parating sa atin na mas maayos or okay
That's very
na
true.
bagay.
Which is good, siguro.
Pero ngayon, iba na kasi
Oo.
parang na-realize ko, you don't put justice in your hands.
Well, depende naman siguro. Pero ako talaga, siguro I believe in karma.
True.
So, I believe na...
There will always be.
Oo. Although, sabi ko nga,
consequences.
kasi hindi tayo perfect, di ba? May
Yeah.
mga nagagawa din tayong mga kasalanan.
We do stupid things.
We do stupid things, silly
Yeah.
things naman at some point in our lives, di ba? So, when someone, siguro, for example, somebody betrayed you,
Ay.
siguro, partly, iniisip ko din, makakasalanan ko
Oo.
din. Kasi I let that person betrayed me.
Hmm.
Parang sometimes you gave a lot of chances more than you should.
Okay.
Pero ako, sabi ko, everything kasi, it all comes back to learning. So I acknowledge na walang perfect
So,
tao.
you believe to be the bigger person na lang.
Not a bigger person naman siguro, pero ako parang it's exhausting kasi when you're trapped in that situation
Oh.
na parang you have so much bitterness in your heart. Mas madaling mabuhay at kung
wala,
malaya yung,
let go na lang.
let go mo na lang. Of course, ma-hurt ka,
Mabilis
diba?
ka bang mag-let go?
Hindi ako mabilis mag-let go because I invest so much emotions in all the relationships that I have. Whether it's romantic, family, friendship, job, even my guests. It's a personal thing talaga for me that I invest emotions. Pero of course,
Pero,
as you grow
grabe,
older,
hindi halata sa'yo.
oo.
As in, ang galing mong magdala.
Oo.
Grabe.
Saka iniisip ko na din na parang I always believe in the goodness and the grace of God.
True.
Na kahit anong problema ang darating, as long as you are living, as long as you have faith,
Yes.
there will be solutions to your problems.
True.
Walang ni isang problema na hindi kayang solusyonan when you're eager, when you're learning, and when you have faith.
Yes, faith talaga kay Lord, diba? I think that's so beautiful.
Diba?
Sana all.
Hindi ba na joke-joke lang? Lumayara man sila tuod,
Oo, that is
meron din
true.
silang matututunan.
That's true. Alam mo, sobrang beautiful. Ang haba nito, pero I don't care. Bahala kayo dyan. Ang ganda lahat. Next, second to the last question.
Okay.
What's your biggest dream? Are you there yet? Tatanong ko na sana kanina to nakalimutan ko.
Actually, sabi ko nga, 'di ba, parang na-mention ko kanina na life is a journey, not a destination. So as long as you're living, you don't cease dreaming. You don't stop dreaming actually. Totoo 'yan, 'di ba? Kasi when you reach a certain goal in life, there will come a new one na parang okay, meron ng ganito. So it's a constant naman.
So kumbaga, ngayon, you have a lot of big dreams. Parang gano'n na lang. Let's put it this way. Parang walang katapusan ng dreams hanggat buhay.
Oo, magdi-dream ka pero nag-iiba siya.
Oo.
Hindi na siya yung kagaya
Hindi
ng
na siya
dati.
material
Hindi na siya
things.
most of the time hindi na siya material things. Of course, it's good when you have financial security,
Exactly.
ganyan. Pero mas importante kasi na-realize ko time,
Oh,
yung
parehas
freedom
talaga
mo
tayo.
na 'di ba? You can do whatever you want. Like at the end of the day, for example, like right now I'm jobless. Wala ako nakabakasyon kasi ako, 'di ba?
Oo.
So I chose not to go back yet to work.
Ayan,
Um,
isa yan sa gusto kong
Oo.
i-pinpoint sa'yo.
not because I have so much money, but because I'm secured for now.
Correct. Yan, isa yan
Um,
sa gusto kong i-comment sa'yo.
Oo.
Kasi there were times na parang uhaw na uhaw tayo sa babay ka tayo agad sa work.
Oo.
Dumating na yung time na parang I wanna slow things down.
Oo.
Diba?
Yan yung parang nangyayari sa akin ngayon na parang mas gusto ko
That's so
mag-spend ng time
nice.
with my family. Tsaka rest is also very important.
Very
Kasi
expensive ang
with the
rest.
line of job siguro na ginagawa ko,
Sobrang exhausting,
exhausting
friend.
siya.
Naisip
Um,
ko pa lang.
exhausting talaga siya.
Oo.
Pero again, I'm also grateful. Pero again, tumatanda na tayo.
Yeah.
So, you have to really think, ano ba talaga yung magmamatter?
Ako ngayon thankful ako
Parang
kasi
ganun. Yeah, but you have the liberty to stay at your
at
house
home. Tsaka,
while earning money, diba?
oo, yun yung pinaka-thankful ako kay
Oo.
Lord talaga. Nasa bahay lang ako.
Oo.
Pero
Ako gumagastos na ako sa bahay ngayon. Ang daming parcel dumarating everyday.
pag na-board to, nagsuscroll na lang. Ako naman, happy na, totoo ka, no, spending time kasi yung parents natin, hindi na sila bumabata.
Oo.
Parang ngayon, sinusulit ko talaga yung time na kasama sila. Every Sunday, every Saturday, dinedate ko talaga sila. Gusto ko talaga ng quality time kasi I don't want to live a life na may mga what ifs and regrets.
And regrets ka? Oo. Yun yung pinaka
Ayun yung minsan hindi ko
na-realize.
naiintindihan sa iba, no? I don't know, maybe because they're healing their
Inner child.
inner child. Pero how can they not spend time? Hindi pa sila siguro dumating sa realization natin.
Hindi pa. Kasi parang iba siguro yung focus pa nila.
Oo.
'Di ba? Parang ako, 10 years ago, I would want, 'di ba?
Travel.
Paano ko maiisip yung spending time with my
Mom,
family
papa.
here
Hmm.
kung wala naman kaming makain or what?
Okay.
'Di ba?
Mm.
So parang it goes na, sabi ko nga,
Yeah.
'di ba, it's a journey. When I was in high school, my biggest dream is to finish college and graduate on top of my class.
Mm-mm.
Parang yun yung goal. Nung na-achieve ko yun, yung goal ko naman is to have a secured and
Job.
high-paying job. 'Di ba? Darating ka doon na point mo naman. After
Another.
doon, magkaroon ka ng bahay, mga ganito.
Kaya yun yung ginagawa ko
ganyan.
every New Year.
Oo.
Nagsusulat na ako ng
Nagsusulat ka
mga
na.
vision board. Ganon.
So,
Nagiging effective siya sa akin.
that's good ah.
Oo.
I've never had one na
Kasi,
parang,
Hindi, dati wala ako. Wala.
kasi ako I have like parang sa akin gusto ko ganito, may
Nasa-
vision ako ganito.
Oo.
Pero I don't give myself a timeline.
Ah.
Na parang kasi exhausting,
Oo, totoo lang.
na parang
Nakakapagod sis.
nakakapagod,
Sobra.
maano ka na parang by the age of this, and most of the time it's good if it happens.
Oo.
Pero pag hindi, parang baka ma-depress ka pa.
Oo, correct.
Baka sabihin mo,
Yan,
bakit?
naranasan ko yan. Kaya
Diba?
I'm gentle with my vision board.
Oo.
Sinasabi ko nga, kilala ko yung sarili ko. Ako rin to ang magde-deal, hindi ibang tao. So, I'll be gentle and honest.
It's good to have that. It's good to have timeline, but
Mm-mm.
also it will be best if you don't meet the timeline,
Correct.
that you have also
Kasi,
the generosity to forgive yourself or also
sa
to
totoo
accept
lang,
it.
ang dami nating mga hindi pinag-pray na binigay ni Lord.
Oo, correct.
Diba?
Super.
And that's underrated,
Mm.
na parang hindi natin siya naaalala.
Oo.
Kasi ang dami nating gustong i-pray. Pero hindi natin nakikita yung mga binigay niya na hindi natin pinag-pray.
Pinag-pray.
Diba?
Breathing being here actually is a
Exactly.
blessing na, diba? You're still alive.
Mm-mm.
You
Ay,
are
ang health.
health.
Pinaka-ano din yan. Na
Pinaka-importante.
nane-neglect yan.
Oo,
Nakakala nila,
pinaka-importante.
wala lang. But, yeah. That's so beautiful.
Be healthy.
And last question.
Last question na.
Gusto pa ba natin? Chares. If someone from our hometown
Oo.
sees where you are now,
Aha.
what do you hope they think?
I hope they remember
Mhm.
the struggles. I hope they remember and they see me when I was at that time. Like, I don't know kung anong time nila ako maaalala sa life ko and versus right now.
Mhm.
I hope that they get inspired
True.
siguro by the story, and in return it will inspire them to push for their dreams and goals in life too, as well. And I hope that they realize that nobody can stop them from achieving their goals.
Thank you. Thank you for that. Alam mo bakit? Ikaw talaga yung ginagawa kong sample sa kapatid ko.
Saan sa kaya?
Hindi lang sa kapatid ko. Kasi kami ni Mama, nai-inspire talaga sa'yo. Honestly.
Oh, really?
As in,
Thank you.
super like, alam mo naman ang mga mom,
Oo.
they really like kids na nag-help.
Na
Na pinuuna talaga
oo,
yung family.
ganyan.
They are very inspired sa mga ganun. Alam mo, may mga time pa nga na, may GC kasi kaming family.
Oo, kami
Pino-
din.
Pino-forward ni,
G-Fam.
pino-forward yung mga post mong picture mo. Oh, look ko namin house. Mga namin balay ni Jay. Diba? As in, super inspiration. As in, super inspiration ka sa amin. That's why, thank you so much, sis.
Oh,
For
thank
giving
you.
me time. And for also, lakas loob na mag-share,
Na
sa
mag-share.
atin.
Oh,
Kasi,
actually,
I know, hindi mo talaga
diba,
to.
hindi ko man,
Alam mo, napipilitan to lagi. Hilaw pa yung oo niya sa akin last
Sabi
week.
Oo, sis. Oh, sige,
So, I believe that this is the right time talaga. Kasi actually, siguro wala naman ako masyadong time, masyado sa isip ko mag-vlog.
Busy ka din.
Oo, kasi grabing busy sa work. Pero I'm so thankful
Oo.
because we have the chance. And I hope you guys keep on dreaming. Sabi
Yeah,
nga.
life is not just about something that happens to us. It's something that we actively shape.
Yes.
So
and
from
we-
your dreams, goals, and aspirations in life, your hard work, we shape our own story.
if there's like a motto or one Bible verse that you can remember, not Bible verse, maybe
Not Bible
motto,
verse.
oo, that you live by, what is it that you can share?
It actually, hindi ko siya malilimutan na parang ito yung pinaka, wherever I go,
Mhm.
parang kahit na lahat ng mga works or in situations in general in life,
Mhm.
actually I wrote this on my college yearbook.
Really?
Sa yearbook ng
Ano
college,
yun?
diba? Di ba may mga motto ka?
Oo.
So yung nilagay ko doon, which is I firmly believe na parang a person's most useful asset is not the head full of knowledge, but a heart full of love, with an ear open to listen and a hand willing to help. So yun yung
You lived by it, sis.
Yun yung na on the spot mo ako sa
I like
sa mga
that.
questions
Hindi,
mo.
pero
Oo,
seryoso,
pero yun,
you live by it. And you are it. You are that.
hopefully.
Na pag ano mo siya talaga. Talagang
Yun.
you live. Kung motto ko, nakalimutan ko na.
Ano
Diba? Ano
yun?
yun?
Tingnan niyo yung yearbook ng
Nakalimutan ko.
Pilamir.
But thank you so much just for your time
Thank
today.
you.
And
I
thank
hope
you so
had
much.
fun.
Of course, I had fun. Hindi ko ina-expect yung mga sagot niya. Na-amaze
Mga
ako.
sagot.
I love it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you
Thank
again.
you.